Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Forms to sync data into Power Apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Microsoft Forms to sync data into Power Apps, start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. Log in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Create a new form by clicking on the New Form button. Add a title to your form that reflects its purpose. Beneath the title, include a description if necessary to guide users on how to fill it out. Begin adding questions by selecting the appropriate type from the options available, such as multiple choice, text, rating, etc. For each question, provide clear and concise wording to ensure ease of understanding. Set required questions by toggling the option on for items that must be answered. Once your form is complete, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. Copy the link generated for your form, as you will need it for Power Apps. Next, open Power Apps in a new tab or window. Log in with the same Microsoft account. Select Create from the left sidebar, and choose Start from blank. Choose Canvas App, set the name of your app and select phone or tablet layout. Once in the App Designer, locate the left panel and click on Data. Select Add Data to connect your form to Power Apps. In the Data panel, search for Microsoft Forms and select it from the results. Paste the link of the form you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Click Connect to establish the data connection between Microsoft Forms and Power Apps. Now, drag the relevant fields from your form onto the canvas to create your app interface. Customize the layout, colors, and styles as per your branding or personal preferences. Add any additional controls you may need, like buttons for submitting responses. Finally, save your app by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save. You can now test your app to ensure that data syncs accurately. Once testing is complete, feel free to share your app with others by following the sharing instructions within Power Apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.